This is our second video in continuation with our statement. Our immunity lies in our thoughts. In the last part, we learned that so many researches being conducted throughout the world found that coronavirus affected the people whose immunity is low, compromised, and the cause is only the stressful thoughts, like thoughts of irritation, anger, tension, anxiety, fear, and sadness, grief. And further we learned that good food, good exercises, and staying in good environment cannot save us completely. They are helpful, but we cannot depend solely on that alone. Now we are in the process of how this stressful thoughts weakening our immunity, and neurobiology will explain it very clearly. Further we learned that negative thoughts trigger catecholamines, stress hormones, adrenaline, noradrenaline, epinephrine, cortisol. These are the negative hormones. When they are frequently released into our system will be compromised with viruses, bacteria, like many other microorganisms. It means our health will be affected. Mind you friends, enemy is not outside, enemy is inside. So we must take care of this enemy. How we can manage our thoughts, not controlling our thoughts. Don't try to control the thoughts. The more you try to control the thoughts, the more they misbehave. What we need exactly is managing the thoughts. We have good thoughts also, no? Happiness, success, sympathy, empathy, friendships, joy. When our mind thinks about these good thoughts, then brain triggers different chemicals. They are called happy hormones like dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphins. So, which thoughts are very frequent in our mind? If our mind is bombarded with negative thoughts several times, stress hormones will be released more. What happens? We suffer two types of disorders. One is psychological disorder, the other is a somatic disorder. Psychological means lack of concentration, lack of interest, lack of memory, lack of ambition. Somatic means all the physical disorders, even heart attacks, brain attacks, your cancers, all these are just nothing but from the stress. Today, researchers say we have to depend upon the research because research brings the fact outside. These great people whom I mentioned a few minutes earlier, they have stress. Just because of stress, their immunity system couldn't stop coronavirus. What now we have to do is strengthening the positive thoughts, one, or weakening the negative thoughts. How? If we do this, our immunity will be very strong. How to do this? Is there any way? Absolutely, one way is there, is called yoga. Again, several universities have given wonderful insights, scientific insights into yoga. How yoga can develop, strengthen our immunity. So in the next video, let us meet and discuss more about this and how we will get ready ourselves to avoid future virulent viral variants. Virulency is more, even they will be capable of vaccine resistant variants are there in future to come. So let us strengthen our immunity Okay, with this, let us conclude. In the next video, let us learn more things. Please share this video with others because you are going to help them, their parents, their relatives, and everyone. Thank you.